imagine you're a violinist in an orchestra, and we are threatening to automate violinists. Now, if we make violinists much cheaper, that really won't expand the number of orchestras that much. The demand for people like you is going to go way down. Now, maybe you can get one of these rare jobs as the violinist automator or something, but there's just going to be a lot fewer demands for those things because the demand for violins is just not going to go up much, even if we automate it. So basically,
because there's still going to be the same number of there's going to be the same number of orchestras.
And roughly the same number of violin slots. There won't be that much more demand for violins. So you're the violinist, you're just going to lose. You're going to have to find something else to do.
I think where you could take that is like if they were going to automate every instrument in the orchestra, then orchestras would be then the cost of the whole orchestra would go down, and then
now the question would be how many more orchestras would people hire if orchestras were a lot cheaper?
Right.
Would you do them for your birthday parties? Would you do them for work parties? Like how often would you hire an orchestra if it could all be cheaper? And so that's about the elasticity of demand for the whole industry here, which would be more elastic than for each violinist, but it still might be modest. Maybe there's just not that much more demand for orchestras. But software is an industry with a very elastic demand. There's just lots of businesses in the world that look at all sorts of parts of their business process and say, gee, should we try to automate this? And they go, gee, software is really expensive. Maybe not yet. Let's wait till it gets cheaper. The world is really eager for software all over the place. And the main limitation is just expensive. So now if you could automate software and make software cheaper, there's just a huge world of demand for that.
Yeah.
Lots of firms will just do a lot more kinds of software.